Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We got some great consignments coming into our January auction, and we want to give everybody a preview of Dent, chain, and specialized figures that were 100 years old, as well as a Meccano set. Stay tuned for more. All right, let's take a look. We got a wonderful set from an old American family, and some of the carvings are just really quite magnificent. A lot of character to them. This set, though, has all the hallmarks of people, I would say, from like the early 1800s, almost the USS Constitution. And then it was restored 1976 by Pat Breen. So one thinks about our bicentennial. Take a look here. Our bicentennial, where there's a lot of patriotism, and it appears that these figures may have come out of storage to be resurrected. The entire set will be on auction January 12th and 13th coming up 2024. Brings us to our next consignment. Really quite unique. It's a non-stop flight, New York to Paris, Spirit of America commemorative PNX 211. It reminds us of J Chain, but it is not marked. Lindy plane quite possibly. But the litho is gorgeous, so that will also be coming our way in the auction. Additionally, we have a Meccano. It's an engineering set. Ooh. Number one, it's also known as an outfit. Number one, which has quite a bit of details in it. 4 outfits, 0 to 3. So this is the instruction. Tells you about a Meccano kid, tells you about all these details and items that you can build with number 0. This is number 1, and so this is number 1 and 1A items that can be built. You have to have a lot of respect for the early Meccano pieces. They don't show themselves as modern or incredible, but in the day they were modern and incredible. Got a nice set of items, good motor. This pulley needs to go there. Got all these little pieces. This guy looks to be in lightly used condition. These sets end up kind of sticking, so I'm being a little bit careful, but underneath are items. We'll get pictures of that on the website. Had a nice piece of rubber for storage. Good instruction. And then finally, we're gonna get to a really spectacular Dent Toys, Fullerton, PA, I believe, but Dent Toys 2-horse. I believe it's a trap, because I believe people can go back to back. But it's got this very dark color to it, almost blue-black with gold trim. Original driver, lanterns, and that's something to keep in mind. All right, so cheers from Ed. Keep us in mind for toy consignments. Antique Toys, check out our site, AntiqueToys.com. Coming up for the holidays, we've got some great t-shirts. So be sure to check out our t-shirt links. And look for us on Live Auctioneers under Mars, M-A-R-Z Auctions. We are helping promote a Mars auction event with wonderful toys. So check that out, January 12th, January 13th, 2024. Have a great day. Cheers from Ed.
Bye.